Hello everybody, Namaskar. Hopefully you all have safe and happy life with your family at your home, with your beloved ones. This is for all known Hindi peoples. Kindly ignore in case if you find any mistakes in my delivery. We all know that situation is very crucial these days. And firstly, believing in any such organization which do not belongs to local region is a big challenge. And later, after believing them and joining hands with them, if you get some setback, then it becomes very heartbreaking experience. I don't know, but even after facing such a destructive situation, there is a small glimpse of hope residing in my inner consciousness, and that is the only power which gives me courage to be stable in my life. All my savings are in others. My job with lots of roller coaster experiences was with others. During initial period, after issues were emerging against others, I had few offers, even better than what I was currently working in. But I decided not to quit this organization during the time of adversity. And now, when all my savings has been drained, all local sources from whom I could manage to borrow has about to say no. When I am not even able to pay my EMI and there remain no other options available for me where I can serve and I can earn my livelihood. Now I'm start thinking to sell my own house. Still there is a hope that everything going to be alright. I'm not saying that every person should do what I have done or many of other peoples like me are doing. But my message is that you please be calm and cool and have belief in God. God resides within ourselves. So keep yourself away from mental worries. This is very much sure that whether we get money back or not, it will happen in any ways. That is not in our 100% control, as it depends on so many other circumstances and factors. But one thing is in 100% control, and that is the way we take this situation. Either we take this situation this way or that way. This way is in our favor of us and in favor of mankind. And that way is thought of negativity, which only puts negative impact on our health and mind. So it is my humble appeal to all my brothers and sisters, my elderly seniors, to keep yourself calm. Use power of attraction and believe only those things which you wish to have in your life. Calm yourself and join hands with efforts that few people are taking by way of any different means. Those are by mails, letters, Twitter, video, social media, and whatever the way they are taking it forward. I have seen lots of mishappening where nobody else come forward and support, but that individual and their close family people get suffers. So to keep our fights on, we need to keep ourselves safe and healthy. We need to keep ourselves cool and calm. Give some time for meditation, some time with one who you believe in. Keep communicating with your family person, friends, and even on social media without expecting anything in return. You must have heard the lines, Pehla Sukh, Nirogi Kaya. Keep this mantra in your head and feel like a king. If you have this much, that means you have something more than what so many people don't have. So lastly, my friends, keep smiling, be happy, calm, cool, and keep yourself away from worries. Thank you. Thanks a lot.